Effect of hypoglycemic drugs. Type 1 diabetes happens where your immune system destroys cells in your pancreas called beta cells. They are the ones that make insulin. Insulin is a hormone released by pancreatic beta cells in response to elevated levels of nutrients in the blood, controlling critical energy functions such as glucose and lipid metabolism. When insulin binds to the insulin receptor, the activated receptor triggers multiple signaling pathways that mediate the biological action of insulin. Objective: demonstrate the hypoglycemic effect of insulin in hyperglycemic rats and determining the blood glucose concentration. The material to be used are insulin syringes, corometer, glucometer. Ranges are glucose, insulin, and insulin test strips, and in biology, 7 rat Wistar strain. In a table 1 shows the treatments for the 7 subjects. The first part will be administered intranasally, and we will take glucose measurements in 10, 20, and 30 minutes. The second part will be subcutaneous, and the glucose measurements will be made to the 15, 30, and 45 minutes. The results are shown in the following graph. The minute 10, 20, and 30 is compared the first part of the treatment by interperitoneal route, and we must consider that a minute 45, 60, and 75 is similar to minute 15, 13, and 45 of the second part of the treatment administered subcutaneously. The normal glucose values in rats are from 90 to 152 milligrams of deciliter. Subject 1, when only administered with saline, maintains its normal glucose levels, which is our negative control. Subject 2 is our positive control, and after having a normal basal sample when doubly administered with glucose, these values rise without decreasing. Subject 3 and 6, after having a normal basal sample, after these values rise. However, when administering insulin afterwards, achieving to decrease the values of these, maintaining a stability. When subject 4 only treated with saline and insulin, we found normal values. However, in the subject 5 treated in the same way, we even found hypoglycemic values. Subject 7 starts with a normal value. However, after administering insulin, appears hypoglycemic, and after being treated with glucose, it re-enters normal values. The insulin acts on a specific receptor located on the cell membrane, practically every cell. The insulin receptor is a receptor tyrosine kinase, which is a heterotetrameric glycoprotein. Insulin stimulates glucose transport across cell membrane by ATP, the PEM translocation of glucose transport GLUT4 to the plasma membrane. The second messenger PAP3 and certain tyrosine phosphorylated guanide nucleotide chain proteins play crucial roles in the insulin-sensitive translocation of GLUT4 from cytosol to the plasma membrane. Over a period of time, insulin also promotes expression of the hence directing synthesis of GLUT4. Hence, for a large number of enzymes and carriers are regulated by insulin through RAS, and MAP kinase, as well as through the phosphorylation cascade. The ANOVA center indicates that there are significant differences according to the different treatments in each subject because insulin decreases glucose in patients, and glucose without using it can remain high. Similarly with Muse, considering that some subjects could have problems controlling these levels.
Created using Powtoon.